Here we're going to prepare a booster for a T17 Hashboard. We begin by cutting 3 wires to the appropriate length. Afterwards, we pre-tin the pads of the booster module. In this case, we won't need the negative output pad. We then solder the longest wire to the positive output, labeled Out+. And the 2 shorter wires get soldered to the inputs, labeled VIN plus and minus. Since we want to step up the voltage, we need to adjust the potentiometer. To do so, we're going to turn the dial 20 times counterclockwise using a small flathead screwdriver.